Hi friends, my name is Tripti and I am from Kolkata. Today I am going to share with you how did I learn English? How did I get my fluency in English? First of all, I am admitting to all of you that neither I am from English medium nor English teacher, so still I have a lot of mistake. Okay, now I am going to share with you all the things what I did. I am a makeup artist by profession. So being a makeup artist, I have a beauty salon and training academy also. Every day, a lot of customers and a lot of clients come to me for their services and courses also. So sometimes I have to communicate them with English. Not all of them are from English medium, but most of them uh, speak in English. I noticed one thing. When I try to speak with them in Hindi or Bengali, they consider me and immediate shift to Bengali or Hindi. Frankly speaking, this is very disgraceful for me. So I decided and committed myself. Enough is enough. I have to speak in English at any cost. So I started as per my capability. See, I think we are not poor in English, right? We can read English, we can write English, we are very good listeners also. Our problem is we are not able to speak in English fluently. Right, dear friends, I think not only me and not only you, there are so many people, there are so many students also. They are very good in English and they achieve above 95% marks in English, but still they could not able to speak in English fluently. So it's not at all embarrassing. I think English is a language, nothing else. Okay, I am telling you first what I did. I heard a lot of spoken English courses. Okay, so I joined there first, and they told me you have to learn first grammar, tense, active voice, passive voice, etc. etc. I told them this is not my problem. I know everything, but still I am not able to speak in English. But they wasn't agree with me. I don't know why. So after a few classes, I left them. Then what I did, I have start to read a lot of very simple English story book and English newspaper also. And end of the day, I repeatedly practice in front of the mirror. And on the other hand, I followed a lot of YouTube channel. There are so many English teacher in YouTube channel. They teach how to speak in English fluently. And I stolen from here and there. I collected from here and there new unknown words and find out their meaning from dictionary, and I used to try make sentence in every word. And finally, what I did, I was looking for a good guy who is also similarly interested like me to get fluency in English. I realized one thing that unless practice, it is very difficult or totally impossible to get fluency in English. And remember one thing also, you are a beginner and English is not your native language. So it's very natural to have mistake, make 100 mistakes, make 100 wrong sentences, but you have to speak in English only. There are so many countries in the world, and their pronunciation, their accent, their idioms, everything is different. You have to follow all the things very sincerely and carefully if you want to communicate with them in English. Don't think about grammar initially. I am not asking that grammar is not important for spoken English. Rather, I am telling it's improve automatically and gradually. Okay, now I am telling with an example, right? Dear friends, do you remember how did I learn our mother tongue? When we born and try to speak our mother tongue, our parents didn't give a grammar book to learn our to practice our mother tongue, right? So how did we learn? We learn it without any grammar book. Okay, I learned because I we heard every day from my parents and neighbor. Even when you don't used to go to school, then also we were very good our mother tongue. And when a child grew up and try to speak their mother tongue, uh, they they have a lot of mistake also, and then their parents also don't try to make them correct. After that, when they go to school and they able to speak their mother tongue fluency and correctly. So it's not necessary to speak English you have to learn grammar. You have to listen more and more. Okay, and you have to practice more and more. You have to grow your practice habit. I think practice and practice, only practice makes you perfect. Okay, so don't think about your impression also, and you are getting judged. Think about your expression. Focus on your expression instead of impression. Really, I have never thought that I could speak in English fluently. There are so many people who laughed at me for my poor English because I am from Bengali medium. So, if I can able to do it, why not you? Don't hesitate, dear. Start from today. Just start and be determined. I think you will be also successful as like me. If I can do it, you can do it also. Just start from today and do practice. Start practice. If you practice and practice more, I think you are able to do it. And don't hesitate. Don't scared about it. English is a language, nothing else. Yeah, I am sure you have to overcome all the barriers one day. I wish you all the best. If you if you love the video, please like and share more and more. I wish you all the best again. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video again. Thanks. Bye.